Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Tracy's Global Kitchen. And on today's episode, we'll be flying all the way to Philippines. Guys, I know by the Philippines are known for their perfect soap operas, but on today's episode, we won't be going to that direction. We'll be going to the kitchen direction, okay? So look at this avocado banana smoothie. Look at it. It is low effort and the taste is amazing. So buckle up and let's go to Philippines. Let's go. So we have milk powder, 2 bananas, 1 avocado, some sugar, or you can even use some condensed milk. So first things first, we have to prepare our fruits. Okay. Guys, look at that. Look at what we have. It's not so bad, okay? Not so bad. There you have some bananas. By the guys, I've even washed these bananas because I don't want to have some cross contamination. See? Does not require a lot. So I learned that avocados have fat that helps in absorbing calories better. Yeah. Yes. So, and you know, these fats, the fats from avocados, they are healthy fats. So this is a good way of gaining weight. It's a good way. See. So let's get started. Let's start assembling whatever we are going to use. Normally I start with liquids, but you know I'm dealing with soft things, so these ones are not giving me a lot of pressure, honestly. I have no pressure, no pressure. Oh gosh, what am I doing? Really? Then you have some milk powder. I want it to be creamy, but I think that is enough. It's perfect. So here we have some water. Remember I've put milk powder, so that's why I'm adding water. But if I had milk and not milk powder, I couldn't have added some water. So our avocado banana smoothie is ready. Okay. So, oh my gosh. I really love the green color. Actually, but they come to think of it, I've never made such. If I'm to be honest. So let's have a taste. But it's perfect. This one is perfect. You know, personally, I love avocado and I also love banana. So, and I also love milk. So, guys, to me, this one is 10 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and see you on the next travel. Bye.